Hello and welcome students to a new video lecture. In this lecture, we are going to cover lesson number 5 of your English literature book. The title of this chapter is Gulliver's Travel and the writer of the story is Jonathan Swift. It's a very interesting and amusing story about a man named Lemuel Gulliver. Lemuel Gulliver was a sailor who got stuck in a land of Lilliputians. What was the land of Lilliput? Who were the Lilliputians and what was his experience in the land of Lilliputs? Let's read the chapter and find out.
A long time ago, there lived a man named Lemuel Gulliver. He was a sailor. Sailors are the people who sail through the sea on big boats and ships and go for a long journey to explore and know about new places. One day, he decided to go on a voyage with his friends. Voyage means a long journey by the sea. However, when they were sailing, a violent and ferocious storm occurred in the sea and destroyed their ship. Luckily, Gulliver was a good swimmer. He swam and finally reached an unknown island. He was very tired, so he fell asleep. He slept for a very long time. When he woke up, to his surprise, he found himself tied to the ground. He tried to move, but he could not. He tried to remove the harness and untie himself, but could not. He was unable to move at all. Gulliver looked around and saw that he was surrounded by tiny men. Tiny means very small. They were as small as Gulliver's thumb. Nobody was larger than that size. Gulliver could not believe his eyes. He was amazed to watch them. He then started to free himself, but they started attacking him with sticks. However, it did not hurt him because their weapons were very small. Gulliver did not want to hurt them back, so he stayed still. When the tiny people saw that he was not trying to harm them, they bought him food and water. They had to bring a lot of food and water as Gulliver was very hungry and thirsty. Then they lifted him on a huge cart and presented him before the king. After some time, Gulliver understood that he was in the land of Lilliputs. Everybody on this land were just 2 inches tall. These little people were afraid yet excited to see such a huge man, and similarly, Gulliver was also very amused to see these little people. Finally, he arrived at the king's palace. The king was shocked to see Gulliver. He told Gulliver, "You are a strange man. I will allow you to stay in Lilliput, but you have to promise me that you will help us and never harm us." Gulliver agreed to the king's conditions. Gulliver was freed. The Lilliputians built a house for him. He stayed with them and helped them. One day, the king asked for Gulliver's help. He said, "We are in trouble. We need your help. Our neighboring island, Blefuscu, wants a war with us. They are approaching towards our island in their warships. Warships are ships used during the war. You have to do something." Gulliver walked into the sea. He took a long rope and tied all the ships together. Then he dragged them across the water. He did this for the whole day. At the end, the enemy army had no strength left to fight. The king of Blefuscu came begging for peace between the two kingdoms. Gulliver requested the king to make peace with them. The king always listened to Gulliver's advice, so he readily agreed. Gulliver became a hero. He lived in Lilliput for many years and then he returned home.
Hi there. I hope you people liked the lecture. I hope you people have enjoyed the story as well. Do keep learning, keep practicing, and read out the chapter once again from your English literature book. Stay safe at home. That's all for this lecture. Thank you so much.